Directions for Week 11, Module 9, Study Skills Test Prep link. So go ahead and open the Word document file. So this is a Study Skills and Test Preparation worksheet if you wanted to read some of the information that's available here. They are real note-taking and study guides tips for you. What you'll do now is save this document where you always save all of your work. Once you've saved it, go ahead and choose File, Close, and if you don't have a new document, go ahead and choose File, New Document. And then what we're going to do is get this ready to be prepared as instead of a file name, an actual link. So choose View, select Outline, Show Document, and then click Insert, and this will take you to where your files are. So you want to get the one that you just saved. This is asking about the styles that you've chose for the headings in the document, and you want to change them or anything. So for this, just say no to all. Then Control Home takes you to above the actual document. Choose Collapse Documents. And do you want to save changes? Okay. And it actually takes you to the Backstage area to save as. But before you do that, I'm just going to go back and show you that the document has been collapsed. And now you're seeing just the link. And if you want to test it, Control-click actually takes you to the document link. So I'll close out of here, actually save this, and submit. So you've created a document to be a link rather than just a file. Save and submit.